How Crescent Industries makes sourcing your injection molded project easier. You learn Crescent provides engineering support, in-house mold fabrication, and injection molding services. We can even simplify your supply chain further by offering comprehensive kitting, assembly, and secondary operations at a competitive price for a manageable manufacturing solution. These operations can be performed in our general molding or ISO 7 cleanroom facilities using automation, collaborative robots, and skilled labor. To help your supply chain and achieve speed to market, Crescent Industries is a single source partner for your injection molded project by providing a full service manufacturing solution, starting with engineering support, mold fabrication, program management, and complete production services. Read our blog, Injection Molding Solutions to Reduce Complexity.